Zara, I miss you. Zara, I miss you so much. I miss Zara. Zara, I miss you so much. Zara, I miss you. Zara, stop, I miss you so much.
Oo, top 9, top 9. Mga ano nila dito, wardrobe nila dito.
Mga artista?
Hindi, yung binibig pinaprovide sa atin.
Oo. And then yun din palagi yung sunod ng mga artista.
Zara, I miss you.
Oo, sa mga asap-asap.
Ganda? Oh. Matches your scarf. May ganyan.
Ha?
Grabe pagka-analyze. Kahit yung kulay.
Bakit?
Wala lang.
Yellow.
Dati pink, tapos biglang yellow.
Ano na ang nagaganap.
Malalaman natin sa takda. Paano po?
Akadaka, damit.
Nawawala ah.
Ilang? Ito ah.
Feeling ko isang lalaki at isang babae.
I don't want no scraps, but I'm a guy, can't get no love from me. Hang on the passenger side of a stress man's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want
Gabi na.
Gabi. From May. Gabi na?
wala naman ba?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Oh my gosh.
Paano naman magkakano?
Last time ba 1 week?
Oo.
All of us?
No, last time the person that went to another country, 1 week siya.
I don't want no scraps.
So ano to?
Art. Mag-review.
Ha? That's it.
Bakit ba ni door?
What are you doing? Waiting for the food.
It's cold. Hello.
Nasa babae.
Where are your shoes? They don't fit me. Tom? They don't fit. They hurt my feet. Masikat? My toes are like this. I like those boots. Yeah, man, with my cell number. Cell number. And we're go to the night cashews. Diba gusto mo yung high voltage?
No, not that.
I mean, yung thunder. Night piece.
No.
I'm getting my sleeve. Will be connected. Ah. Because it's not finished yet. my one piece. Oh. Pero hindi ko alam.
Yes?
What?
Waiting for the food?
Chiboy!
Ah, sipon. I'm still hungry.
Alam na. Scrub as a guy can't get no love from me. Boom.
Do it and do.
Bop, tip tap, not to bop.
Bop, tip tap, bop, do bop, tip tap, bop, do bop, tap, bop, do. Yeah, yeah. Bop, tip tap, bop, do bop, tap, bop, do bop, tap, bop, do.
Yeah, where?
Yummy.
Here, cray cray. Yummy.
Yummy.
Carlo? Go for it.
Patty.
Lit.
Sarap, no? Viney.
Oh, only if we had egg roll wraps too.
Something to put them in.
That?
Grab it. Bread.
Aww.
Oh, that would have been really good. I mean, it's good now.
Yeah, but like
Spicy.
Mahang ito?
konti.
Medyo.
I put 4 chilies. So I want like this. My tattoo. I'll go.
Ay, baka pagkaguluhan si Tin.
Hindi pa.
Oo, no? Grabe. Kaya naman pala malamig today. Kaya naman pala malamig.
Kahapon pa tayo nagjo-joke, di ba? Nakangahangin na yun. Ay, wala si Bilis.
Oo, nasa labas ako. Bop, pitch-pitch-up, bop, choo, bop, pitch-pitch-up. Choo, bop. Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Yeah, yeah.
Tinatakpan yung taba. Buti nga ngayon mga naka-jacket eh. Natatakpan mga tan.
Okay, guys,
tan
ready?
natin. Nalabas mo na? Hindi pa. Ako nalabas ko na kanina. Ano to?
Ito tayo ng ano?
Ang harap kumain. Dali.
Gusto mo manggo? Ano?
Ha?
Gusto ko.
Yun ang gusto ko.
I love mango.
Hindi naman masikip ba niya?
I have a baby called Mango.
How about polvoron?
Gonna be my baby Mango.
Ibig sabihin,
Tip it down and do bop. Baby Mango.
how long have we had this for?
A long time. Pero Madali magkita.
Oh my God!
Please.
Kuya! What's happening?
Nangyari sa'yo?
Kuya!
Ako na.
Your stuff!
Ayusin ko. Ang screw nandyan pa.
No, it's inside out. Tingnan mo.
Siguro ito yung papadalin
Na may isang screw pa to.
Oh, meron?
Oo.
Kuya, yung mga gamit mo, naglulumaan na.
Wala!
Meron pa yun. Diyan siya nahulog.
Yeah, kuya, the bathroom, the
Nakahulog lang.
rails, it fell
Kuya, sa
off.
CR din po.
Sira na.
Ayun!
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan.
Bakit ganyan?
Yung mantika. Pumapasok sa...
Sorry.
Si ano yun?
Sino?
Carlito. Ah, si Carlito.
Arriba, Officer Carlito.
Lamig.
Kuya, grabe!
Ako.
Kuya, ang bilis lumamig ng kape ko. Okay. Every 5 minutes, iniinitan ko. Bap, tibidap.
And 12 months later, remember we sang that song every day.
Oo.
Bap, tibidap.
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Sorry, Tin. Tin, sorry talaga, Tin.
Pasensya na ha.
Naalala ko kwento ng, ng tatay ko kasi nag-Canada siya. Kasama niya yung sister niya. Pinapagalitan niya yung sister niya basta pag sa sobrang lamig sa winter, mahal yung heater so hindi sila masyadong nag-heater. Pero pag may maglalakad lang sa tabi mo, sobrang lamig. Na kahit nasa bahay ka, nagaganyan ka. Oo, gaganyan din na. That cold. I think si Carlo makaka-relate.
Oo.
San Fran's nice because it's so sunny outside, but the wind is really cool. Wonder where that one.
Kasi naman ah.
Yeah, it's cute. You look like a Pocahontas.
Thank you, Glenn, for
Aww, Jenny.
Lumalakad, naglalakad.
Saka Hello Kitty ng pen.
Lakas na kapag-gets eh.
Ang sa'yo mga bata eh.
Lakas na kapag-gets talaga ng baby.